Hello, how about today we will talk about the magnetic properties. My team is made up of Ramírez Morales, Alan de Jesús, Rodríguez Díaz, Juan Carlos, Herrera Pimentel, Roberto, I am Velázquez Olmos, Christian Jair. Magnetic properties. Magnetism is defined as the force of attraction of magnets that have a positive and negative pole. Known as a dipole, the magnetic properties of materials can include phenomena such as diamagnetism, paramagnetism, ferromagnetism, superparamagnetism, magnetoresistance, and magnetic coercivity. Background. Magnetic phenomena were known in ancient Greece. They are said to have been first observed in the Mander city of Magnesia in Asia Minor. Hence, the term magnetism Faraday made his first discovery of electromagnetism in 1821 by repeating Ørsted experiment with a needling magnet at various points around a light wire. He deduced that the wire was surrounded by an infinite series of circular and concentric lines of force. Method of measurement. A uniform magnetic field can be measured very rapidly during a charge coil half a turn. The, the charge passing through the coils is measured by a galvanometer whose period of oscillation is much greater than the time it takes for the coil to rotate half a turn. International system. The uniform of magnetic field in the international system is the Tesla. 1 Tesla is defined as the magnetic field that exerts a force of 1 Newton on a charge of 1 coulomb, moving at a speed of 1 ms with the field as perpendicular to the field lines. Importance in the industry. Magnetic fields serve to control the trajectory of charged particles in the base such as particle accelerator, such as mass spectrographs, electric motors and electricity generator. Perspective. Magnetism in addition to influence the earth is also the guide of the universe. They are used for that structure, sensor manufacturing, trim of tumor, and under localized tissues. Maker magnetic traducers in mechanical simulation of cells and tissues and magnetic resonance imaging. Diamagnetic Diamagnetism. Diamagnetism is a property of materials that consists in repelling magnetic fields. It is the opposite of paramagnetic materials, which are attracted by magnetic fields. Side of material, it has less magnetic permeability than a vacuum, and is repelled by the action of a strong magnet. Background. The term diamagnetic was coined by Michael Faraday in September we realize that all material respond either diametrical or paramagnetical to an applied magnetic field. Method of measurement. So that the total molar susceptibility will be. Here is the magnetic contribute occurs since is tiny compared to the rest. We can write the previous equation as follows, where C is the Fourier constant for the measured substance, and this expression is Fourier's law. A grapa of xm sobre un Tesla will give us a straight line with slope is C por M. Igual a NA más N U 23K Tesla. Types of materials. Higher value bismuth, copper, lower value diamond slaver y another slaver. Importance in the industry. Pure gravity graph field, which especially high diamonds, has been used as a visual demonstration as a thin layer of this material leaves by repulsion above a strong enough magnetic field at room temperature. Perspective. Yamak is the purple or property of a material to oppose the applied magnetic field, but is very weak. The so-called diamagnetic materials are characterized by being repelled by magnet. It is the opposite of ferromagnet materials, which are attracted by magnets. Paramagnetism is the tendency of free magnetic moments, spin or right, to line up parallel to a magnetic field in the presence of an external magnetic field that tend to align parallel to the field, but this alignment is offset by the tendency of the moments or randomly oriented left due to thermal motion. Background. Pierre Curie discovered torque with his brother Jacques the piezoelectric artifact in crystals, establishing that the magnetic susceptibility of paramagnetic substances depends on the inverse of temperature. That is, that the magnetic properties change as a function of temperature. Measurement. There are several instruments that can be used to measure the magnetic susceptibility of a paramagnetic species, including a GOI, balance, squid, or NMR instrument. The advanced method is a simple and practical and times used to determine the solution magnetic moment of a paramagnet. Types of material. High value. Magnesium, titanium, tungsten, lithium, tantalum. Lower value. Iron, aluminum, molybdenum. Importance in the industry. Used and in everyday life, we can find multiple applications of magnetism in the industry, such as in induction plants and inductive charging of batteries, toothbrush, telephones, etc. Application of the electromet, hard disk, and magnet tapes. Perspective. How to know if a substance is paramagnetic? As we are going to see now, to determine the magnetic properties of a substance in a now to examine its electron configuration. If it only electron, the substance is paramagnetic. If all the electrons in a substance are paired, the substance is diamagnetic. Ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetism is in a property possessed by some materials which are attracted inside the magnetic field. Ferromagnetic elements are attracted because of the magnetism, which is ancient by magnetic fields, and remote magnetism even though the field is nullified. Purple history. In Weisshausen, this know when they examine the magnetic moments of atoms according to the theory of the French Pierre-Ernst Weiss. A ferromagnetic zone consists of a large number of small regions or domains in each of which all the atomic or ionic magnetic moments are aligned in an uniform magnetization direction with a domain. Method of measurement. Being the magnetic parent of the medium, we observe the magnetic probability of the void and we error the relativity probability depending on the value of materials can be classified in the following groups. Types of materials. High value: iron, silicon, cobalt, lower value: copper and titanium. Importance in the industry. A large magnetic induction operates when a magnetic field is applied to it. They allow two easily concentric magnetic field lines, accommodating a magnetic flux density. These materials are used to delimit and direct magnetic fields in the well-defined paths. It allows electric magnets to have reasonable volume and less excessive costs. Perspective. They allow to easily convert magnetic field lines according to a magnetic flux density. The materials are used to delimit and direct magnetic field in well-defined paths. Conclusion. In conclusion, we saw what magnetic properties are and how such phenomena as paramagnetism, diamagnetism, ferromagnetism, etc. occurs as well as their operation and what types of material react to them. Thank you.